Good day everyone. Today I got Redmi Note 10, Redmi logo. This is a beautiful mobile phone and today I am going to flash the official Bliss OS having Android 16 on this mobile phone. Bliss OS version is 19.5 and this ROM can be flashed on Mojito and Sunny. Both are the code names of the Redmi Note 10, and let me tell you that this is the official release for the Redmi Note 10. Making a video is not an easy job, and if you are getting help from my videos, if you want to appreciate my work, you can just like the video, keep sharing it with others. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click or tap the subscribe button, click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you. If you are interested to get the Bliss OS on your Redmi Note 10, then you have to do a few things before starting the flashing procedure. Mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, I will provide the video link in my video description. You can watch that tutorial video how to unlock the bootloader. Those who have an unlocked bootloader already, they can just follow the steps to get the ROM. Check the mobile phone battery, it must be charged. In case if the battery is below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. Whatever data you have, your internal storage data like pictures, videos, or your recent call list, SMS, WhatsApp data, make a backup, otherwise the data will get formatted. If you are using MIUI ROM, in case if you have login Xiaomi account, then remove the Xiaomi account, otherwise we will have issues. Go to password and security and turn off the screen lock. Tap accounts and sync, then sync your Google account and must remove it to avoid issues. Well, if you have done these steps that I just showed, then you can power off the mobile phone. So friends, links are all provided in my video description. We have to download the TWRP. So we will flash the TWRP recovery first, and then we will flash the pitch black recovery for the Mojito and Sunny, because the Bliss OS is supposed to be flashed with the pitch black recovery. Let me tell you that we cannot flash the pitch black recovery directly from the fast boot. So we have to flash TWRP, right? Make a new folder and click the links, download the files. This is the Bliss OS, version is the 19.5, which is currently latest one. Check out the date, 8 May 2026. Official, coming with the caps, no need to flash the caps separately. We have to flash the firmware, which is version 14.0.9. In case if you have already the version of the 14.0.9, simply flash the ROM. Otherwise, flash the firmware first, then flash the ROM. After downloading, first extract the Redmi Note 10 TWRP in same folder. And when it is done, then open the extracted folder of the TWRP. Well, I have provided the patch files. We will use the patch files, and the recovery file is also provided in this folder. Coming back towards my mobile phone. Must check, mobile phone must be totally power off. Use a good quality of data cable and check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer or laptop. Boot the phone into fast boot mode. Must have an unlock bootloader, right? Then press the volume down key, press and hold it, and then connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see fast boot screen. Release the volume down key immediately, right? This is the fast boot mode. Mobile phone is connected already with computer, booted into fast boot mode. On my computer screen, I am already in my extracted folder of the Redmi Note 10 TWRP. I can see and you can see the batch files. So double click the flash 1 batch file to flash the custom recovery. When done, the command window will auto close. Now double click the flash 2 file. After double clicking, immediately press and hold the volume up key before the Mi logo appears on the screen. And after 5 seconds, release the volume up key. The mobile phone will show the TWRP recovery immediately. You can see that. Now, I will go back to my downloaded folder. Okay, I got the internal storage on my mobile phone. I will open the internal storage to check the folders are having a proper names. Yes, I can see and you can see that all the folders having a proper name like alarm, Android, audiobooks, which means that the storage is decrypted. I can copy paste. Now I will go to my downloaded folder and I will copy the pitch black recovery, which is actually PBRP, right? Copy the pitch black recovery from the downloaded folder. Then go to the internal storage of the mobile phone, this one, right? Internal storage, and paste that recovery file on the internal storage. I got the recovery file coming back towards my mobile phone. Simply tap install, scroll down, you will see the file that I just copied. Tap to select the file and then swipe to start flashing it. Flashing completed, go back to the main screen, then tap reboot and tap recovery. Now this time the mobile phone will boot into custom recovery, which will be pitch black recovery. Okay, I got the recovery. Now first tap wipe, then tap format data. Type YES, tap here. Done. Go back to main screen, tap the power icon, this one, and tap recovery, reboot to recovery. So the recovery screen got appears. After formatting the data partition, we have to do one more thing to make the storage to appears on the computer screen. So what exactly we have to do? I want you to concentrate. Tap advanced, then scroll down or scroll up, just look for the file manager, right? Tap the file manager to open it, then tap the data folder, you will see that, and then tap the arrow sign, this one, then tap make folder, give a name to this folder which must be MEDIA. Tap here and then swipe to create the folder. Okay, done. Now go back to main screen, tap mount, then tap disable MTP, and then tap enable MTP. Go back to main screen. So I got the internal storage on my computer screen. I will go to my downloaded folder and copy the ROM file, which is Bliss 19.5 version, then the firmware file, and the PBR, which is pitch black recovery, the custom recovery file. Copy these three files from the computer hard downloaded folder, come to the internal storage of the mobile phone, paste all the three files on the internal storage. It will take a time. Here we have to wait. So I got three files copied on my internal storage. Let me come back to my downloaded folder and let me show that I have a new folder, and these are the files from which we can root the ROM and we can make the device certified. But I will make another video about it. If you comments me, ask me, then I will do. Now computer work done, and I will come back to the mobile phone screen. Okay, first of all, disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone and then tap install, then tap up level, tap data folder, tap media folder. You can see three files that I just copied. First, install the firmware, which is 14.0.9. Tap to select the firmware. If you see there is a put tick sign flash PBRP after install, untick the tick sign. If you see tick sign, untick it, and if there is no tick sign, just continue. Well, swipe to flash the firmware file. When done, then go back to main screen, tap the power button and tap reboot to recovery. Okay, then tap install and select the Bliss ROM this time. Tap to select the official Bliss 19.5 ROM and check there must not be a tick sign with the flash PBR after install. Swipe to start flashing the ROM file, and it will take a time. Here we have to wait. ROM flashing done. Doesn't matter if you see too many red lines, right? Just go back and flash the pitch black recovery which I copied on my internal storage. Must flash the pitch black recovery, otherwise the Bliss recovery will come back, because the ROM is having a Bliss recovery. But I do not want the Bliss recovery because I have to root the ROM. For that I have to use the pitch black recovery. So select by tapping the PBR recovery file, check there is no tick sign. Okay, then swipe to start flashing the recovery file. Recovery got flash. Now go back to main screen and must format the data partition by tapping wipe, then tap format data, type YES, tap here. When done, then tap reboot system. The mobile phone will stay on the Mi logo for a little while, then it will start booting to the Bliss OS ROM. Well, you can see the booting animation of the ROM, which is right now booting. The first boot will not take that much time. Finally, first boot completed. I will complete the setup screen. So I got the Bliss OS ROM smoothly on my Redmi Note 10. Let me show the QS panel of the ROM. This is the latest QS panel coming with the Bliss OS, which I am having it on my Redmi Note 10. So these are the default applications coming with the ROM. And if I tap the settings, and you can see that Blissify, where we can customize the ROM. If I tap here, there are bunch of modifications provided in this ROM. You can modify the ROM the way you like. If I tap about phone, so this is what I got on my mobile phone. Bliss ROMs, Android 16. And the Bliss version you can see 19.5. Check out the build status and the build number. If I tap the Android 16, these are the details which currently is on my mobile phone. Android 16, check out the Android security update date 1st April 2026. Baseband version provided and the kernel version. Xiaomi camera application coming with the ROM. This is a good thing. I like the Xiaomi camera instead of the AOSP camera. Well, video working, photo working, take pictures, take portrait mode, you can record videos. The camera is working fine. Do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to share it with others. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button. Thank you. I appreciate that. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.